Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. This na mathematics in pidgin again. Make we solve this one sharp sharp. The question says solve the equation 4 raised to the power x plus 4 equal to 5 times 2 raised to the power x. I go read the question again. Solve the equation 4 raised to the power x plus 4 equal to 5 times 2 raised to the power x. And the options wey the question give us now 5 and 1, 1 and 4, 2 and 0, minus 1 and 6. To solve this thing, we go first write the equation wey dem give us again, so that we will start from there. Okay, I know say they wait for the solution. Just before I start, oh yeah, go like this video, subscribe to the channel. Oh yeah, you don't do am? Now we will continue. We fit rewrite this equation like this: 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power x, that is 2 raised to the power 2x, plus 4 equal to 5 times 2 raised to the power x. This now because 4 here na 2 raised to the power 2. Then we fit still rewrite again, saying 2 raised to the power x, cover am for brackets, raised to the power 2, plus 4 equal to 5 times 2 raised to the power x. This now because for indices we fit say x times 2 to give us this 2x. So we no change anything, we never change anything. So the next thing we go do now na say we will come say let 2 raised to the power x be equal to any letter of your choice, any letter we want use. So here I want use m. This thing we dey write am because say we no fit solve this equation directly. So we dey solve am by changing this, by substituting this with m first. Then we can rewrite this thing again, saying m raised to the power 2 plus 4 equal to 5 times m. Then the next thing is to subtract 5m from both sides. So we write m squared minus 5m plus 4 equal to 0, because 5m minus 5m will give us 0. Now we can continue. At this point now we don't get standard form for a quadratic equation. So because this quadratic equation be like this, that is the coefficient of m here now 1, easy to solve by factorization. So we go do this equal to 0, put our m here, put our m here. What we can define now and say we define two numbers. If we multiply those two numbers, that is if we times them, it will give us 4. And if we add them, if we plus those two numbers, it will give us minus 5. How we always get these two numbers now? By trial and error. We will test all the numbers, so we will multiply to give us 4. And all those numbers now, either 1 and 4, 2 and 2, minus 1 and minus 4, then minus 2 and minus 2. If you test all these numbers by addition, you will see the one will give us minus 5 will be minus 1 and minus 4. We don't factorize, finish. The next thing is to complete the solving by saying m minus 1 equal to 0 or m minus 4 equal to 0. This thing here will give us say m na equal to 1 or m na equal to 4. If you no take time, if you no dey careful, you will just run say, thank God I don't see my answer. You go choose B. But remember, so no be m we define, no be the value of m we define, now the value of waiting x. So that one will make us go back to this equation here. We say 2 raised to the power x is equal to m. So now that thing will help us find x. So we will say when x is 1, when m is 1, we get say 2x, 2 raised to the power x now equal to 1, implying say 2 raised to the power x now equal to 2 raised to the power 0. This one will come say give us x to give us wetin 0. We will do the second one for this other side. We will say when m is 4, that is this one now, we then say 2x is equal to 4, giving us a 2x now equal to 2 raised to power 2, so that x now waiting 2. So finally, therefore, we don't get say x now equal to 0 or 2, making say the answer we will define now waiting this is C now be the answer. So remember, say you go put your question for comment section. If you get any question, I will go answer them once we see them. Then remember to share this video so that others will learn what you don't learn. Like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.